Here in my hand, I am holding the AM, the Morning Skincare Routine Kit. I created this wonderful morning skincare routine kit because I myself am a big fan of doing things right in the morning to help get your skin looking great for the day and feeling good. In the next minute of this video, I'm going to tell you all about the products that are inside this kit and tell you who these products are for and the benefits of the kit. So here I've opened my morning routine kit, and you'll find that you have a daily OC cream cleanser. This is a wonderful, gentle, natural cleanser that's going to help give you a clean palette for the day. That's right. It's very important to still wash your face in the morning. Now, second you're going to see is I have my wonderful Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. This is great to give you that moisture that you need, because then you're going to be applying probably an eye cream, the MCT oil, and eventually your makeup. And for makeup to have that nice look without the lines just kind of like caking in, which is what I hear 90% of women have a problem with, because you tell me, this will keep your skin hydrated and prevent makeup from falling into those lines. So you're gonna have your Hyaluronic Moisture Boost and your MCT oil to help hydrate you. Now this MCT oil is amazing because it is a miracle beauty oil product. You can use it for so many things, like your nails, your hair, your body. I mean, the list is endless. I get people telling me all the time of different ways that they're using the MCT oil. And you also have this wonderful and natural lip balm. Get your lips hydrated for the morning before you put on your favorite lipstick. And my absolute favorite is my Beauty Stone Roller. This is my secret ingredient in the morning to get my eyes looking youthful and fresh, to get the puffiness out, to smooth out the dark circles, and it just feels so good. I love my Beauty Stone Roller. And last but not least, you get a wonderful little sample of the Peptide Eye Cream. Now this is great because you can try it out and will probably fall in love with it like everyone else. And your bonus item in here, things are falling over, there's so much good stuff, is my clear collagen peel off mask. Now this is a little treat that you can use before a big day or before going out, and as always there's fabulous instructions inside that you can look and see a step-by-step guide on how to use this every morning. Here on the product page, if you look below, you are going to find all the benefits and ingredients for each and every one of these fabulous products that you can read and learn more about, and I hope you enjoy your new morning routine.